Anyway, I wanted to ask him, now that he has not attached, now it forces me to ask him, this hotel in Machakos, this white one, is it yours? A&L, yes. Even I had lunch with you one time there. Just for is it yours? Is it yours?
During your Azumio days?
During the old good days. Is it yours, your nominee? Yes or no?
Answer.
No, I want, because it will inform your chairman my next question. If he says no, I don't need to proceed with it. Is it yours? Yeah.
Yes, it is my hotel, built with a loan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, if you own that hotel alone, the way you are saying by a nominee, and you are saying you are worth 420 million only, ndugu yangu, I know this is a period people want to be poor because it's hustler time. Don't fear being rich. Just tell us how much you are. With that hotel, you cannot be 420. You cannot. That I've refused. You cannot.